Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish. I'm an online fashion reseller, so I sell mostly used clothing on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari for my full-time job. I just received a box of 20 pairs of shoes from Jomar Wholesale. I ordered this not too long ago. I also have another order from them that I'm waiting for, but this one came faster, so I am going to do an unboxing. I usually would like to show the box, but it is heavy, so I'm not going to pick it up. But I will go ahead and show you this. Here, let me see if the packing stuff is in there. Give you an accurate idea of what this box is. But it is 20 pairs of just gently used or new without tag shoes. I believe that's like pretty much the description. It was a fairly good price per item, and I put myself on like the text list to get a notification of when this was in stock. And so it was like the middle of the night and I got the text and I grabbed it, and then the next day I was like, that should be interesting. So it is a mystery shoe pack, women's pre-loved 20 pairs. It was $75. I did use a discount code. With shipping, I paid $85.98. So 20 pairs of shoes for just under $86 is not bad. All right, but I have no idea what quality of shoes are gonna be in here, although I did just see a logo that I'm not mad about, so. Okay, so a little thank you card, a little bit of tissue. Okay, I don't know where to start. This gives me like thread up shoe vibes, although, yeah, no. Okay, so these are cute. This is Banana Republic, which I wouldn't normally pick up in the thrift store, but this is a really pretty stylish pair of, like, what is this? Is it crocodile, snake, some kind of reptile embossing with a little kitten heel on the ankle strap. I will list those. These are not in terrible condition. They're definitely sellable. This is definitely a 9, not a 6. That would be way too big for a 6. Okay, so not mad about those. Next, so some of these are, you know, some more basic brands, but this one's Ann Taylor. Got a nice little suede pair of pumps, pretty classic. Again, I'm not mad about those. Those are a pair of 7 Ann Taylor pumps. Where do I go next? Get these little lace-up espadrille sneakers, and they are from Michael Kors. Again, not one I necessarily pick up in stores, but this is a cute, stylish little pair of shoes. Look like a small size. I can't tell. 5, 6, they're a 5 or a 6, not sure. This is just a basic pair of suede wraparound ankle Steve Madden espadrille wedges. I might list these or take them to Plato's because I have a pile of things I need to take to Plato's closet. I see this one pair that I'm gonna wait until last because they're really cool. Oh wait, these are really cool too. They've got some scuffing, which you can't see it. I don't know if you can. But that's okay. I'm gonna figure out, either sell them as is or figure out how to get it out, because this is the brand Intentionally Blank. I've never found this brand, but I've heard that it is really good. Size 9, a little silver pointed toe pair of like Oxfords, little heeled Oxfords. So cool. They are damaged, but I'll figure it out. Okay, here is another brand I wouldn't normally pick up, but they're kind of cool. They're a little red, almost like a slingback, but not quite. Little kitten heel from Massimo Dutti. I don't actually know a ton about this brand. They're size 35, so probably pretty small, probably like a 5 or a 6 in US, but we'll try them out. So far, I am not disappointed. Okay, so these are Stuart Weitzman, which is great. That's a nice designer. I don't know if I would pick up this style with the pointed heel if I saw it in the thrift store, but it is a nice pair of shoes. Yeah. I've been actually having a decent amount of luck with Stuart Weitzman lately, so Hopefully these will do well. Okay, here's an okay condition pair of ASOS striped espadrille sneakers. That's pretty much all I have to say about that one. What are these? Okay, more Michael Kors, little flats. I might actually send these to ThredUp, we'll see. Not necessarily a style I would sell, and also seem to be a pretty small size. But we'll see how they do. These are LL Bean. These look to be a larger size. Little pair of boat shoes, moccasins, slippers, loafers, whatever you'd call them. They've got some pretty good grips on the bottom and are in really good condition. So I don't know if this is necessarily the style that I would list in my closet all the time, but I am going to list these because I think LL Bean certain styles can do well. These I'm curious about. Okay, I've never heard of this brand.
What are those?
What are those? These are super interesting style. They have extra light soles. That's like the actual brand that it says on the bottom. There's Strategia. They're kind of, not everything's, some of it's coming off. Never heard of it. Have to do some research. It looks like it could potentially be expensive. And this is like I would see this style in a store and be like, what are those? Let me see those. Ooh, I like this brand for the most part. These are Isola's little sandals. These are cute, not necessarily in season, but definitely listing those. I think they'll still do well. These will probably go into ThredUp. These are a little older style of Cole Haan embossed heels. They do have a square toe, which is in style now. But this is the bottom. They've got like the Nike Air soles or whatever, or yeah, I don't know what that is, but I've seen that on Cole Haan shoes before. Here's another pair of Steve Maddens. These are super cute though. I will probably try to list these because I think they'll do well. What is this? I don't know what this is. Does anyone know what pony sneakers are? They're a cute style. I feel like these could potentially do well. They're a little beat up, but because I think they're cute, I definitely want to look them up and see what they're worth. Pony lace-up sneakers. Here's a pair, another little Steve Madden pair of probably faux suede. No, they're actual suede. Little perforated espadrille slip-ons. So lots of espadrille, which is fine. These are Ralph Lauren. Again, I don't know, these are more like a woven wedge, but little denim. These will probably go to ThredUp, just because they're not normally a style I would pick up or sell in my closet. Another probably send into ThredUp. They're just an older Cole Haan style, but I think they could potentially still sell well there. I've got like my midriff coming out. This sweatshirt. Got like the pile of shoes growing back here. Okay, there's only 2 more pairs left. One is a pair of Steve Madden, but these are really cool. They've got like the clear round heel and everything's clear. So, you know, kind of that, I don't know, that's a trendy style. I think that's still trendy, I'm not sure, but I will definitely list these. And the last pair that I got the most excited about when I saw it, again, a little beat up, as most of these exciting ones are. Look at these sparkly Doc Martens! Ah! Let me see, there's a little wear, but these are awesome. They are, I think they're a women's 8. I don't think they're gonna fit you. No. But they might fit me. Actually, I think you size down in Doc Martens, but okay. These are awesome. I'm not disappointed. I got really scared when I ordered this box. Like I had like wake up regret from the next morning. I just bought it in the middle of the night, but I don't regret this box at all. A couple things that I won't list, but there are definitely things that I can do with them to make money back or make profit on them. So not bad. Again, Jomar is always kind of hit or miss. I've had both experiences, kind of meh, kind of awesome. There's lots of reviews out there, but I did want to share this one with you because I was very curious to see what was going in here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I put out videos every Tuesday and Friday about reselling. And if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again real soon.